I guess now our flying should be smooth and straightforward now that we got that first crash out of the way. As you already know, this is my 2024 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. Today, we're going to install a few things, possibly against my better judgment. I'm actually working on 2 videos right now. That's the audio stuff. Well, the old audio stuff, but we still got some talking about it to do. This is what we'll need to do our install today. Some isopropyl alcohol. Always need a box cutter handy. Some blue tape or painter's tape or whatever. Some pry bars. And I brought the screwdriver in case we need it. And here's what we're installing today. I guess this top-down view doesn't really help. So here's what we're installing today. We got the Magic Strobe which will cause our brake lights to flash. The Memphis Shades Handguards for blocking the wind on our ride. And some sexy new emblems, which you guys will see in just a moment. All right, we're also going to be removing these because they're on both sides. Before we do any removing, we need to mark so we can put the new one lined up right there. 2 pieces of tape. Let's get something that can help me draw a straight line because we know I'm not good at that. Did that all wrong. There we go. That's how we get a nice straight line. Yeah, we'll redo that one. Man, that's a good wax job. That tape peel off so easy. We've got a heat gun, but let's try our pry tool first. It is a beautiful day today too, so I'd rather spend more time riding than wrenching, because we all know I'm not that good at the wrenching. So I probably should put on some gloves. I'm a little accident prone. 1 week later. All right, let's give you a little. Because I didn't mark this one off, it'd be a little challenging to get that lined up just so. One eternity later. It's taken me a while. So that's how we're gonna line it up. I already cleaned this out with alcohol. You may or may not have seen that. And we've already installed the other side. Our newly installed emblem, which you missed me installing completely. Good thing there's another side. Well, that was just maybe a second or 2 for you. I had to take a poop. So now we're going to install the Magic Strobe. Before we do any disconnecting or anything like that, it's recommended that we pull the main fuse. Because it's the only thing that we've installed, we're just gonna drop this right here. Oh. Good thing I got that screwdriver. Definitely thought that was an actual knob. There's a little arrow on the selector, and we want 4. And right now it's pointed at 6. Very nice. Oh, I guess I should put that little cover back on there. This does not feel cheap. I mean, I would hope it wouldn't for a $100 relay, pretty much. That's that. We're going to replace the main fuse. Let's see what these lights do. Squeeze the brake. That's exactly what I wanted. Definitely the easiest of the things that we've done today. So I apologize for not having footage of installing the Memphis Shades handguards because that got really frustrating, and I really just wanted to go for a ride. The handguards significantly take wind off my hands, and because I have an early morning commute, well, that was key. Hello from the Airstream. Thank you for checking out this video. I really enjoyed making it, and I'm looking forward to you guys seeing the other content that I'm working on. You know, I had fun making this video, even though I got frustrated with the handguards, but you know, it's ride bikes, not wrenches on bikes, so something? I don't know. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.